Kasheshekizo balianyomo abaziyo ba kansara berundanire aha district niko kugiraho kanzo eyo kwinguza ekiteiso echo kuza kutayayira amataka agari kugambwaho okubagibirwe kubaherize ba kansara abibyo kwerinda bebembirwa muhezi wa RDC Martin Nwataho ahamwe na DPC batembire basi niko kuza kurambura amataka gona omurembo rakabare kandi kibatwarire eshahi 5 ekitangize ba kansara no kushanga ngo amataka hagamwe gakatahirirwa kandi agandi gakibwa ba kansara bashanjire ngo proti ya M15 eriyo mazina ga Tobias Habasa ubwo hari korera district ngo yakarimagezi kandi amaprota gandi arukuto orwabwa nkosa ba kansara bashanjire ngo gakabaganisibwamo aha niho ba kansara hamwe no muhezi wa RDC okutarika omusaveya wa district Prosper ahimbisibwe okubasa kushoborora noha owabaganise amataka ga district ateinerusa
nyine graduates himu tikindo twafuganira ko kece nafuye nawe no kufa kugira ngo akakora ivinga aba municipality bakana kusubdividing aba ngukira mitaka bakaza mu protest bakasubdividing without our consent ala bakujya batwereka bahiremo twatwire 11 point naka pros as big kurugamba tukakuriya hatiya waza kushangusha ngo mutakiriyeje bakagitsubdividing ngo into commercial use azali ho ukangutugambira you did us no
omugarakamo ahimbisibwe hagize ngo wetayine ecyari kumanya hakubaganizibwa mu kwamataka agumize ngo ebyo bikabaho atakagire mu district.
What happened before, I was not there first of all, and now I'm following the technical guidance. What I studied, what I see in the books or in the maps is what I'm following.
Bakansara bahingwize okwandikira urukiko rukuru horiyo kwerinda mu district okutaha umushonga ezamataka juba bagarukire bahinguza okubinga abantu bona abari kuturo mataka gabo omuringo gw'ekishobobo kandi bagarukire bahinguza okuzitira hamwe no kutebyapa aha mataka gabo omuri Kabale. Ori speaker wa district ya Kabale Flavia Nyinakiza Kanagizi agizire ngo byo kwerindo bwa hati nibo bayetagwa okugira ngo batahe umushonga z'amataka wanyuma yo kucetegereza ngo amataka gakibwa bamwe abari kukorera mu district.
Twari mu security neza kutuhera na munonga abantu butwashanga bari kolesi itaka ryitu tutakucumanya abantu bakubiyama mu masho gitu tutari kucumanya kandi na mama ba encouragingire ahitaka ryitu tutari kucumanya so twajya mu RDC's office as security organ in the district batwere bajonde bongere ba investigating ababantu kandi handi twasiga twarukomendinga demolishing ya some structures ezibatire omutaka ryitu tutari kucimanya bataratushabire gusa.
Muhezi wa RDC Martin Nwataho hagize ngo urukiko rukuru horiyo kwerinda niruza kushitama isabiteri kwija okwasa kureba ngo batandika ahanshongezi
twarambura amataka ga district kandi twashanga amataka ga district kwa yuniveri muri Kabale kandi twashanga ikizu cyona n'ikiri bw'abantu abose ntibakikora kandi security takucimanya mbwenu itunga security we have been beefed. We are going to have a security meeting, make a resolution and we evict anyone who is on government land.
Nwataho garukire yajumirira bebembezi abatabaze gukora murimo ho kurinda amataka ga government hamwe na ga district.
Actually, this one should be a mandate. You should ask these people when they are coming for politics, what have you done? Our land has been lost during your term of office. What have you done? It should be a question. We are not campaigning you, but we are saying, wake up, hands on, let us protect the land of the district.
Makra gagasha kwa Jime Emmanuel aha wa Tayari West.